And why am I angry with this cake? It's for you to find out. But first, let me show you how to make this famous Malaysian cake. First, make the syrup. Put the sugar in a non-stick pan. Don't touch it, just leave it cook until it completely melted. Add water gradually. Don't stand too near, sayang, because when you get burned by the sugar syrup, it can be very nasty. Set aside and let it cool down. Meantime, let's beat some egg, add the melted sugar and the condensed milk. Mix well until you get a really smooth texture, followed by the plain flour and the baking soda. And when the mixture is smooth, like my skin, add the syrup. Make sure that the syrup is completely cooled down, okay? Now, this mixture is ready to be baked. Pour them into this kind of tin. If you don't have this kind of tin, you can pour into one big round tin too. I have 4 guests at my Airbnb, so I thought, why not give one to them? My guests are from Sweden, so it will be very interesting to see what they think about Malaysian cake. Now, you want to bake them in the middle of the oven at 180 degrees first for 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes of baking, you want to reduce the heat to 160 degrees and bake for another 20 minutes. If you don't have an oven, my love, I heard you can also steam it too. Ta-da! This is how it looks like after 40 minutes in the oven. I know it's difficult to wait, but you have to wait until they are completely cooled down before you could turn it out and cut them. 20 minutes of waiting is very torturing. Now it's time for me to cut it. Aiyo, look at that. So spongy and moist. And the taste, you want to know, right? You have to bake it yourself. LG find the texture very interesting. This is perfect for our afternoon fika. And my B&B guest told me, Esti, you can go and start a cafe now. Aiya, these people are so swaku. Never taste this kind of cake before. Starting a cafe or a business will kill my passion. I'd rather spend this passion with you guys. So, my friend, do I deserve a thumbs up and like? Here's what you're gonna love me more. Did you notice I put up a few short videos at YouTube lately? This is because I love you guys so much and I don't want to waste your time. So for those recipes that are so easy and fast, I'm going to make them into short videos. So you not only get a lot of video from me every week, you also learn more and get the most out of my channel. And recently, the multi-cooker has changed the way I cook in the kitchen. And I can easily tell you, this multi-cooker is something that I cannot live without. I think this is a cooker everybody should have at home. And I will share with you my thoughts, why is that so. If you want to check out all this short video, I'm going to include that in the video description or towards the end of this video. Make sure you hit like and subscribe if you are new. And don't forget to put the bell, the ting ting tong on so that you will not miss my next video. If you guys do not know what this multi-cooker do, I have a new playlist to convince you that you should too get this pot. And I noticed a lot of you guys enjoy my winter vlog. So in the next video, I'm going to share with you what are the fun things you can do. So stay tuned. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye guys.